mga kababayan ko.
Was confronted with a decision signed by former Ombudsman Martirez dated July 2019. Lumabas lang siya nung sinabi ko may gagawin ang Ombudsman tungkol dyan. It's a surprise secret decision that came out.
Yun! So, ibig sabihin, marami pa matutuklasan si Boying.
Nobody was raising that issue before. Joel Villanueva kept quiet through all the years. Ombudsman Martirez never spoke about it. Di ba parang secret decision siya? Alam niyo ba yun? Did you know about it? Nobody knows about it.
Kaya nga mga kababayan ko, itinago sa publiko ni Martirez at ni Joel na dismiss yung kaso para na lang yung issue. Ay, nako po mga kababayan ko. Now I understand kung bakit ayaw ni na maupo si Boying Rimulya as